In this lesson, we will learn to have a conversation with our friend about our travel plans. Let's begin. When will you go to Delhi? Toy kar gasiyo dile. I will go tomorrow. Bugasa paga. When will you come? Toy kar you? I'll come day after tomorrow. Buyama kölket. Who will accompany you? Toy sud kum gachan. Ramesh will accompany me. Ramesh आशि में सۭتۍ. A friend of his is getting married. तमिश छु अकिस दोस्तस खानदर. Will you go by bus or by train? तुहि गच्छवा बस कैथ किने ट्रेन मंज? We will go by bus. अस गच्छौ बस and we will come back by train. अमा वापस यमो रेल कैथ. It is very hot today. आज छ सेठा गर्मी. It is suffocating inside the house. मकानस अंदर छु दम ह्यू. Come on, let us sit outside. पक्यू नेबर कन बेहमो. Now it will be late. Wine गच्छित सेर. I will leave now. Bunyar wine. You will be in Delhi tomorrow at this time. Paga winken ٲسِو تُہۍ دِلہِ منٛز. Yes, we will start at 8 o'clock in the morning. أسۍ نیرو صُبحن 8 بجے. We will reach Delhi by 6 o'clock in the evening. دِلہِ واتو 6 بجے شام تام. Where will be Ramesh at this time? Ramesh کتہِ آسہِ وٕنکٮ۪ن? I wanted to send him a message. مےٚ ٲس تٔمِس اکھ شیٚچھ سوزٕنۍ. He will be at home. تِم آسن گرِ وٕنکٮ۪نس. Why don't you call him on his mobile? تُہۍ کونہٕ چھِو نہٕ تِہنٛدِس موبایلس پٮ۪ٹھ فون کران. All right, I will see you in Delhi. اچھا تیٚلہِ میلو أسۍ دِلہِ منٛز. Do you have my address in Delhi? تۄہہِ چھا میون پتہ دِلہِ ہُنٛد? I do not know. مےٚ چھنہٕ پتہ. Please send me an SMS on my mobile. تُہۍ کٔرتو پنُن ایڈریس مےٚ SMS.